Hello, this is Erica Leverson from EDL Investments. Today, I want to talk about Microsoft Teams. What's new in Microsoft Teams for January 2026? So, Microsoft Teams continues to evolve as an AI-powered collaboration platform. So, in January of 2026, Microsoft did introduce several major innovations, many showcased at the Integrated Systems Europe conference. So, to evaluate meetings, callings, events, and workplace communication. So, here are the most important updates that you need to know. Scroll here. So, Team Rooms on Windows now supports a real-time interpreter agent, allowing meeting attendees to listen in their preferred language with live translations. Microsoft also introduced Express Voice enrollment, making it faster to register your voice for speaker recognition, more accurate transcripts, and richer Copilot power meeting recaps. And we have multi-camera team rooms can now switch between cameras remotely, giving facilitators better control and improving visibility during hybrid meetings. And for the first time, team rooms can join Google Meetings, while Google Meet devices can join Teams meeting, with strengthening cross-platform interoperability. So we have Teams Phone Interpreter and Teams Phone. So Teams Phone now offers real-time interpreter support for VoIP calls, voice over IP calls. So enabling multi-lingual conversations for in up to 9 languages. So that's something that's pretty interesting they have going on here. Okay, and the Q's app now provides shared call and voicemail history, giving customer service and frontline teams better visibility into missed calls and required follow ups. Organizations can also require explicit user content before recording or transcribing one on one calls, enhancing privacy and compliance controls. And in the US, Team Phone Mobile is now generally available through T-Mobile, allowing users to place and receive calls across both their mobile device and Teams app using a single business number. Okay, so let's talk about team events. So Microsoft introduced a redesigned Teams events experience, making it simpler for organizations to create, manage, and promote webinars and hybrid experiences. Communities and teams are now in public preview, bringing Viva engaged communities directly into teams, supporting posts, Q&A, announcements, and organizational learning spaces. And also, team channels now feature a renamed share tab, making it easier to locate files and links posted in conversations. And for multitaskers, you can now pin the Teams window on top, keeping a meeting or chat visible while working across apps. So let's talk about Teams for Android now, which allows users to report suspicious messages, strengthening organizational phishing and security defenses. Microsoft also introduced the Frontline Agent. It's an AI assistant designed specifically for frontline workers to access policies, catch up on communications, and stay productive during shifts. And for Mac users, Teams now supports screen sharing through the native Mac OS Picker, improving both usability and security. So these Microsoft Teams enhancements reflect a continual push toward AI powered collaboration, global communication, hybrid meetings, and stronger security features. If your organization needs help enabling or training users on Microsoft Teams or Microsoft 365, EDL Investments can help you access, deploy, and optimize your environment. So follow for more Microsoft updates and smarter ways to work. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.